Swadesh Darshan scheme of Ministry of Tourism, Government of India is executed by Uttarakhand Tourism Development Board and KMVN. Under this scheme, Heritage Tourism Circuit of Kumaon is being developed. The Sun Temple, located at Katarmal, is a masterpiece of architecture. It is one of the fewest temples dedicated to the deity of sun. Built in 9th century by King Katarmal of Katyuri dynasty, this place is nearly 17 kilometers away from district center Almora. Under this scheme, open air theatre with 80% capacity with 2 green rooms and
Surya Mata temple behind it.
a high class cafe with 35% capacity reflecting hill architecture. Interpretation center with art gallery. A heritage path of 400 meters up to Sun Temple. A rest shelter. Car parking for 30-40 cars. Residential facility with 8 rooms. A view tower. A viewpoint. A yoga hall for 40 persons have been developed for the tourists. Ancient temples of Bajnath on the banks of Gomti river is in Bageshwar district, being one of the oldest Shiva temple across Uttarakhand, and numerous mentions in folklores make it a true heritage site. Under the scheme of Heritage Tourism Circuit of Kumaon, eco-log huts, 8 rooms, open air cafe of 150 seats and a art gallery. A pathway of 160 meters, a multi-level parking for 250 cars, a gazebo with 6-seat capacity, river bank have been established. One of the 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva in India. The 8th Jyotirlinga, the Jageshwar Dham, is a cluster of 124 temples located in the dense forest. Under the scheme of Heritage Tourism Circuit of Kumaon, an interpretation center and cafe with 20 persons capacity reflecting hill architecture. Car parking for 100 cars, 14 rest shelters for pilgrims visiting Jageshwar Dham. Trek route of 3 kilometers in length from Jageshwar to Vriddha Jageshwar. Yoga and meditation ground for 200 persons. Ghat along banks of Jataganga River. An information block with hill architecture have been developed under the scheme of Heritage Tourism Circuit of Kumaon. Devidhura temple is situated in Champavat, where a distinctive festival takes place on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, widely known as Devidhura festival, in which groups of people gather and pelt stones on each other, known as Bagwal, though stones are now replaced with fruits and flowers. This remarkable spot is picked up for Heritage Tourism Circuit of Kumaon scheme, under which Barahi Yodha Bhavan, a stage building capacity of 200 persons, a Yagyashala and yoga hall for 100 persons, a rural sports center, car parking for 40 cars, an amphitheater with capacity of 200 persons, a view gallery for 150 persons, a heritage path, amenity for pilgrims, gazebo for 10 persons have been developed under the scheme of Heritage Tourism Circuit of Kumaon.